What is the crack, and welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be doing some more game dev stuff for my game, obviously. I didn't get to do the weekly game dev video just yet. It will be up tomorrow. I also recorded the 3D printing video for this month and a cocktail video. So I didn't want to throw 3 videos up on like one day, so I'll space them out. The reason I haven't put them up, honestly, is because I have been editing them. I'm around halfway through the game dev of this week's, so hopefully it should be up soon enough. The stream hasn't told me I'm streaming yet. There we go. My loud ass. How you doing, GGD, TJ, and Anthony? Welcome to the stream, guys. Hope you guys are doing good. Can you let me know if I'm in sync? I had to change settings. I did as I said, I did a cocktail video earlier. This is falling down a bit. I did a cocktails, or not a cocktail video, I did the 3D printing video, and I had to change my settings to get in sync. So I don't know if it just changed or what, but I had to change something. So something went a little bit haywire. How are you today? I'm doing pretty good. How you doing, Cuppet? You seem in sync to me. Okay. This video is going to be a little bit of a different one that I have before. The previous ones have been coding, other ones have been animating and drawings. This one's going to be UI and like menu making. So I'm pretty much going to make a main menu for my game, so when you start the game you're not just straight into this. You're actually going to go into the game, or you're going to go into like a little menu. So let me make a scene, let's call it main menu. Sorry for the Hoover in the background. Main, oh, I called it main man. I was like, God damn it, my main man. Okay, so this is gonna be fun. I haven't had a blank fucking canvas in weeks. It's so weird.
You should have had Ricardo pop up there for main man.
Could you get that? Okay, so I'm gonna make a UI element. I'm gonna make a raw image. Okay, I was gonna say why am I not seeing anything because the image is black or blank. Let me just use wall for now. Do you have a button to reset, like or to reset or something? Yes, or is reset my my game. Why was it put down there? What the fuck? Okay, I need to make canvas constant to screen size, and now I'm gonna have to put that up here. For now, I'm just going to scale that to the size of this, just so we have a white background. I have a rough idea of what I want this to be. I want to have it where it's kind of like this square, but it goes down into like a narrow cave, and then you can see all like static mites and static tights and shit going down into it, and then you can just see like a shadow of a man at the end. Name of the game is still a little bit... I have 2, maybe 3 ideas. Again, sorry about the Hoover in the background. If you guys do happen to enjoy this, please give it a thumbs up. But yeah, I have a few ideas that I'll try pop out now in a minute, you guys, and get a little bit of feedback. You know what? Fuck it. I might as well say them now. The first idea I have is I was his sacrifice, or I'm his sacrifice, and the other one is something along the lines of blessings and curses, or other words for them, like praises and I don't know, what, hexes or something, like other words for that type of shit. Sorry I wasn't in at the start. I'm nearly asleep, to be honest. Man, I literally just started it. It is perfectly fine. I'm gonna put on... You always have to listen to the Come Zone in every game making stream. I don't know why. Come Zone is just it's a thing now. Every stream.
Me listening to a highly emotional
this
song
is
here,
the best song ever.
Yeah. Beautiful.
When did you lose 10 subs? Probably yesterday. I really don't know. The worst thing is I only lose 1. But YouTube likes to do it now in 10s. So when I gain 1 more subscriber, it'll put me back up that 10. But if I lose 1, it puts me down 10. But if I check, I'm on 4099. So. Also, I opened up this cider like a week ago. And I forgot all about it. So, maybe like Down to Dungeons or Cult Distraction, Praise of Fate, American Sacrifice, or Adventure Sacrifice. You have a lot of names for ideas of a game. Okay, so I want a button. I don't know where I want the buttons to be until I put in the stuff, so I'll just have this for now. I'm not bad at English. Is the first thing. I love that part in the song. I don't really know what I'd have here. Settings, images, bazinga. I don't know what I would have, like, options. Or you could mash up a few of couple suggestions. Dungeon of Sacrifice. See, I don't wanna say yes or no, like, straight away to ideas of names. What would you have in a main menu? Like, settings, there's not really... I have a fucking... I'm getting a chocolate bar rubbing up against me. I don't know, like... I'm not going to be having settings, like brightness and volume. Like, that's really not going to be a huge changing thing. Settings, credits, exit, play. Credits is just me. How you doing, Darius Peters? Welcome to the stream. I always forget exit. Exit is one of them things that just always eludes me. I never have an exit button. I actually like this song. Always forget about it. Credits. It's just gonna be all me. Also, I don't know why I have my keyboard fucking 14 miles away from me. Jesus, what the fuck? I only realized there. So, credits, then not credits. Credits! It was all me. That's what... Also, I did a small C there. It's gonna annoy me. I don't know when that became a thing for me, where all letters had to be capital, or first letter always had to be a capital. No idea why, when, it just became a thing. Okay, so first thing now, I need to do highlighted. What's a good color? Green. Oh, fuck, bitch. I did not mean to do that. Undo that. Hey, no, go back. I lost my color, you bitch. Hey doing, Luke? Hey doing, buddy? I'm doing pretty good. Flan, list of jobs that Flan has done. CEO, managing director, art management, audio management. Why do I keep clicking that like a fucking idiot? Why is that not setting in? Did I like fuck up something? Huh? Wait a minute, play. Why is it play? Don't. And now it says it here. What? I am a confused one. Exit. And this is play again. I don't even... new camera? Yeah, buddy, I got a new camera. Code, Dimension Team. Sarah, haven't been here in a while. It's cool, buddy. I was gonna say, yeah, I got a new camera around a month ago. It's actually a security camera. I just, got like a... what's it called? I got a firmware that updates it into a webcam. Or probably not even updates it, probably downgrades it, really. If you really wanted to say anything. Quality looks awesome. Thank you very much, buddy. I'm actually tempted to buy another one for my... I got a 3D printer, so I'm half tempted to getting another one so I can actually record 3D printing videos. Then when you click it... Okay. Press, I'm gonna make red. I know I should have just did this and then duplicated it, but it's a bit late now. Quality management team equals... I'm gonna make a menu script. real quick. Menu. Completely forgot where I was there for a moment. Brain just went. I'm also gonna slap in a save. Also, I added in a new boss, menu script writer, Flan. As always, if you guys have any songs you'd like me to listen to while I do this shit, let me know. If there is, hopefully you guys can't hear music. Can you tell me how to make money on Tome of the Life, or you don't have that game? I have no idea what that is, buddy. Check the fountain. What? I don't know if you're talking to me or Darius. Okay, so let me just make a new void play. Did not make. I have fucking blue tack everywhere on my keyboard because that's where I keep it. Can you guys? Sometimes people will leave money. Can you guys hear the music now? Also, I need to do using Unity engine dot level or scene manager, or yeah, scene management. I know I found them, but that's the only one day thing. Okay, so application dot load level. Load level. Script management. I really do hope you guys can hear music. As what I've said. It'd be pretty weird if you can. Oh, what is the build settings? Add open scenes. So my level is called tutorial. I think. Whoop. Hopefully that's how I spelled it. Okay, let me play. Let me test that. Oh yeah, you need to help button. Wait, what? Oh yeah, you need a help button in the menu? What do you mean by a help button? Okay, I'm gonna have the main menu or the menu script on my camera. No real reason, really. And now, okay, I'm gonna do this all together. So let me select all three of these. Click new. Drag the camera in as this object. Click the button. Click over here, and there should be menu and then play. Either that or I'm blind. I didn't make that a public, did I? Okay. The health bar on off setting would be useful. Or teleport you to a full tutorial. I was gonna actually ask you guys, would you want that? Would you want the where the thing is, if I did that, I was actually thinking about that earlier, M14. If I did where enemies didn't have health bars, it would be all or none. Like even bosses wouldn't have them. So it'd just be you fight until you win. Actually, there's a boss I just said earlier. I added a new boss, which I don't know how I'm gonna get the health bar to work at all. It's a completely new idea. So now if I click this, bloop, here we in the game. Blip, 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 blip. I should add an idle animation soon. Exit is pretty much you do the opposite. Only thing is you actually can't test exit in Unity. You have to build it to test it. So application close And let me just do application dot. I think it's exit. No. Actually, oh, quit. There we go. And I think you just do this and that, and that's it. I know some other tips like feed the people, truffles thing. Give it a. I'm very confused by what's going on with this chat. Not gonna lie. Hey doing, Diego? Welcome to the stream, buddy. Hopefully everybody is doing good. If you guys do happen to enjoy the video as always, please give it a thumbs up. Talking about a DS game. Oh, okay. Yo, Flan music. Scandal, Shrunken, Metal. Also, M14. I saw that video you sent me on May or March 22nd of a cocktail thing. What the fuck, buddy? I watched it this morning before I went to before I almost said before I went to school. Before I went to work, I was like, "What the shit?" It was very weird.
Was that the one I was looking at, or a different? Oh no, that was a 2D printed thing.
No, you don't even want to know what this was about. Hit Alt F4. Oh man, that's some pro tips right there. Don't do it. The fuck is this?
The fuck is this? Leave it on.
Well. Coronavirus. Yeah, man. What the fuck, M14? My brain was like, bruh. Don't get me wrong, I enjoyed it, but I was like, what the fuck? It was a weird ass shit. I have a music request. Play the Milla Play OSC for. I have no idea what the fuck that is. I'll look that up now in 2 seconds. I really want to look up. I can't hear the music. Oh, you're not meant to. I can hear. Only I'm meant to hear the music. Okay, so now I'm gonna make another canvas and have in this one a text, which is going to be 450 by 120. Font 16. And wrap is on. Okay. So what I'm gonna do first is credits. Let's drag that over here, put that up here. I'm not getting any answers. If you want to, buddy. Do you want Chipotle's guacamole recipe? Hey doing, HJ Aris? I've never had Chipotle. There's no Chipotle in Ireland, sadly. Darius, I love anime, buddy. There, that's the credits for now. Simple as. And let me go into this canvas and copy, paste. Why is it invisible? Huh? Do you watch JoJo's Bizarre Adventure? I actually haven't. Is Taco Bell in Ireland? No. Is it in England? Just link all the social medias in the credits. Should I do that? Also, M14, what the fuck am I listening to, buddy? Button. That was not the button. UI. Button. It's gonna put this around here. This is gonna be back. What kind of music do you want? Any, really? Okay, and let me go back and it's a song from Full Metal Alchemist. I knew it sounded familiar. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so what the fuck? Militopia, or Miatopia. I'm not gonna lie. It reminds me of the what's it called? What's going on, Abby? Oh, what's that called? Sweet Dreams. Kahoot. That's it. Kahoot. Okay. Kahoot. What's that guy that has all the tea? Him. I love this. I don't know why. I find this song so fucking catchy. I listen to this shit fucking every now and again. In the halls of the or something. Okay. Okay, so let me do 2 of them. And let me do public game object play by. I'm getting a lot of fucking requests. 1 second. Menu public game object credits list menu show. Show menu. Hide credits. Who's the wannabe gangster that been puking on by gay parade? Wait, what? Thank God it's not a Rickroll. It's never gonna give you up. I love that Kahoot thing, whatever that is.
I was just listening to the original one there to see what it sounded like, and it's so shit compared
His
to the
one?
Kahoot. Yeah.
The one I'm listening to? Yeah, there's a lot of there's a lot of ass though. There was a lot of ass at the beginning of that video.
It looks like he has crayon on his teeth.
Okay, so menu show. Wait, what the fuck? This way faded? Niv. It's mixed
faded?
with faded.
What is?
The song I was listening to.
Really? Put it on!
I am.
I can't hear it. Crap. What is it? Mine faded.
Why is this so good? I don't know why this is actually bopping right now.
Okay, I think I found it.
Okay, wait. So this is...
I like it.
It's actually good, isn't it?
I like the little quote thing at the start of it.
Yeah.
It was nice.
Also, me and Eve watched Ting the other day. Someone managed to rickroll Rick Ashley. Oh my god, you didn't. No way. Play Voodoo Like You Do. It's a good song. I'll play that now in 1 second after I play Diego's song. So show menu is going to show credits, actually, not...
Dashi does a version of it, apparently.
No, he doesn't.
Hang on. Because I looked at Voodoo Like You Do, and Dashi said it said Dashi XP Music, number 16. Give me a minute. Let me get into it.
Today, Neve.
I'm not hearing him in it at all.
Okay, then leave it in.
What?
Oh, okay then.
What?
I said okay then.
Okay.
How many times do I have to say it? Jesus. Deathbed by Poo-Foo. Oh my god, I'm getting a lot of fucking shits here. I'm fucking saving shit because I was on the wrong yoke. Okay, let me just do this real quick. Another good song is Flowers of an Invite. You guys are sending in way too many songs. I'd get like one a week like I normally do, not 14,000.
Oh, I think he uses his background music thingies. My bad.
Okay, so this is hide credits. Is this credits? Yeah. This is actually so good. What the fuck? Who remembers Chum Bucket from SpongeBob 14 years ago? Okay, so now we got credits. Blap pops up, back. Blap, blap, blap. We got a little menu going, guys. We got a little menu going. Let's copy this and paste this. Paste. And now let's see if that works. Man, credits have a roll through the jobs. Just have like an auto scroll. Why did that not work? Why is the data not going through when I copy shit? Image. Where the fuck is the image? Why is it? I don't understand. Why is the image just not going into this? It's going into that one. I don't get that. There is way too many songs I can recommend. Okay, let me go back now and let me start these playlist shits real quick. Okay. What was the first song people recommended? Jesus. Okay, I think it was Holds and the whatever the fuck that says. Just Shovel of the Nights, Holds and the blah, 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 blah. Is that it? I like the little beat thing though. Auto scroll is just 9,000 of everything made by Flan, and auto scroll, and you can't leave. Okay, everyone who had a song, do you want me to listen to pop it back in now? Because scrolling back through all the comments is a pain in the ass. Play Voodoo. It begins with trumpets. This is the video I have right now. That's the video I'm listening to right now. Why is that doing that? I don't understand. I'm getting super confused by that. Is it because there's only one event system? Does this need an event system? I hate when you start doing this, Unity. Shit like this really makes me not want to use it. Okay, so if I paste you in here, now you have your own event system. Will that let me use a fucking image? No. Why? Never gonna give you up. That's it. Okay. Anyone have an idea why this isn't Come on, neck. What? Neck, don't want to break. Okay, might as well remove that event system since it did a shit. Okay, why is my constant screen shit? Well, in all fairness, I could very easily fix this issue by just going ramp, ta-da. But kind of annoying. It would be cool if you could listen along to the songs. Sadly, you can't because copyright shit on YouTube. Image. Hey! It actually worked. I don't know what the fuck was different, but it did something. I wish my computer had a second HDMI port, so I could actually show you guys the or so I could actually go into fucking. This song's just getting into like some fucking Sonic Mania level shit right there, real quick. That song just went from a fucking like 6 to a 42. And then that exits and that plays. I might add an option in here then when you press escape, a little menu comes up here to like return back or something, or I really don't know. Let me look up what was that? Voodoo like a Pikachu or something? Voodoo like you do. Touch me like you do. I feel like it's gonna be a mix on that.
I looked up Voodoo like you do, and like the one I found was Dashy's background music for one of his songs. It wasn't words or anything in it.
Okay.
But I think the one you might find might be.
This song, Just Shovels and Nights, Dense remix. That's a fucking whopper tune. I think I didn't realize I actually changed song. Voodoo like you do, Huma Huma. What the fuck? Is that the fucking... Whoa. The little fucking... Apparently, I used to listen to this as a kid, and my parents used to fucking find it so funny.
This is the one.
No, there's one where it's a little guy, a little rabbit thing, and he's like bombing to it, and he puts it like to a thing, and he's like... At that one part, I'm pretty sure that's... I have to go back and listen to it now for a second. I'll listen to this to make sure that's it. I feel like it's the song, but I'm not 100% on that. Also, I have no idea if I can add curve to text. Because also the generic buttons on this are ass. I'd like to have better buttons than that. It sounds like it. I already fucking know it. It sounds so familiar for some reason. Neve, how do you... One second.
How do you say?
Why is... because I'm special, that's all. I was like, why is I coming out as a 1? Because I was pressing 1 constantly. 320 and 60, and now let's make this 28. How do you spell sacrifice? Or do I have it right there? Niv. You deaf ass bitch.
What?
How do you spell sacrifice?
SACRIFICE.
I is intelligent. Not intelligent, intelligence.
What was that thing you love? Themes? The look on your face. You didn't even see anything.
Scenes. I forgot about that. Fuck you. That gets me too much every time. Scenes. Oh, you're a bitch. Oh, every time. Scenes. Oh, I love it. Okay, how do I elongate that actually? I want to make it bold. Normal, bold and nicomonic. Yeah, it's not readable, that's that. Let's make it 40. Scenes. Is the stream still working, guys, just out of curiosity? I'm going back to that, I don't know what his name is. 6x9 or something? Yeah, 6x9. Yes, stream's still working. Yeah, okay. 6-9. I've recently started listening to him. The 2 or 3 songs I've actually listened to him are not bad. Same with I think he's dead. I'm not too sure. The guy that sang Moonlight. That's actually quite a good song too. I don't know who sings it off the top of my head, but it's not a bad song. I'm actually listening to that now in a second. I'm kind of tempted to add controller input in this video, so you can play with a controller. But I'd like to do that once the game is fully done, so I won't be flip-flopping between controller input and keyboard. But I don't know. Yeah, he did. You have already listened to Flares, or have you? No, I haven't. XXX Tensions. He got shot apparently. Yeah. Flares of whatever that says. Okay. Okay, after this song is done, there's a minute and a half left. I'll pop onto it. Also, Nave, who did this look like real quick? You watching? Who did this look like for a second?
Ebisu. Ebisu.
Yeah.
The way we see you skull and we're like, it's Ebisu. Like, no fucking
Skeletor!
Oh.
No, but like...
Yeah, but of all the things you could have picked, we went with Ebisu.
I have a fucking spoon up my ass.
I love Ebisu, that one part.
I have another
was so
spoon
cute.
up my ass.
I won't say what, but that part was so cute. I was so happy. I was like, I wish it'd be that. Then it was that. I was like, oh. I looked over and she went, she just... It's cute.
I can't hear you, baby.
I'm listening today, she rapping.
Okay, congratulations. See you later, Cuphead. Thank you for popping in. Really does mean a lot. I'm really trying to think what to add now. I didn't think I'd bomb out a menu that quick. I guess I'll add it into the normal game, like the actual game. I have no idea where I was gonna say I had no idea where that file is. Okay. Okay, let me add a UI canvas. This UI button. Let me put that bitch in the bottom ass corner. Back. See, now this is where it's gonna get confusing. If I have it set to as back and then close, or no, actually I'll just set it to quit game. You know what? Fuck, I'll just put this back up here. I think that's how you spell continue. Hope so. Okay, so let me listen to this Flowers by Anthony or some shit. Neve, can you lower that down? That's very loud, I think.
Is it?
Is this by Just Shovels and Nights as well? Diego. Okay, so let me put on another setting in here for what will I call this? In-game menu. Okay, I'm also gonna go if input dot get key, or probably it's get button, probably get button down. Also, I've been recently trying to get back to using my my piano. Key code. I finally relearned how to play Gravity Falls on the piano. It took me like an hour, but I got back there. Hey down Magma, what's up, buddy? Some shit was wrong there. What was wrong with that? What? Line 32. Get if input dot get button down key code escape. What's the problem with that? Well, I need to do else. I can't tell where my cursor is in this. Is there a night mode actually in this? I've never really looked into that. If it is up, that's a capital. It's meant to be a capital U. This is false. So right now I'm gonna have it while you hold escape. What's wrong with this? Okay, maybe it's get key then. Get key. No, get key up. And get key down. Got very curious. It didn't work. Never mind, I gotta go. See you later. Thank you for popping in. And mistake in the end of file, so I clearly did not do something. I'm so confused by these songs right now. For some reason my mouse just doesn't work when I click it, so it doesn't go back, and I'm just sitting there waiting. I'm like, it ain't doing nothing. I'm just waiting for a song to fucking load. Come on, YouTube, please. Hopefully my internet isn't this bad, and it's just YouTube being a bitch. I really didn't think I'd listened to these many songs. I just want to go back to listen to the song I was listening to at the beginning of the stream. Okay. Okay, so game, this should get menu as well. Where did I? Game manager. That was menu, yeah? Yeah. I would remain, but I have a level... have a level max to do? I'm kind of confused by that, but no bother, buddy. Thank you very much for popping in. So now turn this off and make this true again. Okay, so now if I press escape, that should appear, and then when I let go, it should disappear. Is it not working because I don't have anything in the credits, or... Okay, well, anyway, this update should definitely be in the... should be in here. A level maths at college. Oh, okay. Anyone else have any other songs you want me to listen to? So there we go. That is... Okay. So actually I need to do this as well. Because if I... Why is that like grayed out? Or is that just me? I need to do public... public bool... in-game, and now I need to do... I can never tell where this bitch is. So if in-game is equal to true, then whip, then do this and make another one of these, and then also on top of that go I had a song there for a split second that I wanted to listen to. What's that called? No idea what it's called. None of my business. I don't know why. I've actually never listened to the actual video of this. I've only ever listened to the Nightcore. So now I need to add a bool. Or public, float, normal, speed, and then I need to do public, float, paused, speed. Okay, and if this is true, and if this is down, I also need to do brain blank. Time scale is equal to paused speed, and then I get this and slap it in here and then make that normal speed, which pretty much makes it now when I press the button the game freezes. So if there's an enemy about to Kamehameha me out of existence, I go and time freezes. But the problem is I may actually still be able to move. We'll check now actually. So blop. Oh, I didn't make this true, and normal speed needs to be 1, so that would have went bad. So blip. Okay, can I move? Hey, no, I can't. Okay, so I'm pressing... Oh, he can spin though. What the fuck? It's like when you're Ash in fucking the really old Pokemon games and he gets sent on that treadmill thing and spins you across on the floor. What the fuck? Wait a minute, wait. If I actually press... If I do that, spin on the left and then release it. Oh, he's left. Okay. That might... Wait a minute. Okay, if I do that and shoot. Oh. You could get a bullet off. You could, like, do frame skip shits. If you really were bothered. But... what about... Give it an English dub cover by... Okay, I'll look that up now. Overlord opened camera English dub. Not bad. Okay, so now I'm gonna fix this with this canvas. So what I want to happen is get rid of this. Okay, and now I want to put this in here and remove this. Yeah. And now I want to get the button that excuse me, the button that has the text of actually I just copy both of these. Say yes, drag the game menu into this. The first one is continue, so that one is going to be the in-game menu. Is that what I called it? In-game menu. And this one is going to be classified as close, I believe I called it. Let me just make 100% though. Yeah. Okay. So now, test that. Press play. Now when we press escape, the game should freeze, and I let go of it. It still stays frozen. And now if I press continue, we can continue playing, which is quite handy dandy. I would like to add a save option, but I do not know how to do JSON or JSON, whatever it's considered. So I could do it through player prefs. What the fuck am I listening to now? My Hero Academia opening. I don't know when that came on. I want to listen to Fairy Tale. Fairy Tale. I think it was called Rock City Boy. Hey, that was it. I fucking love this song. This was 7 years old. What the fuck? Jesus. 2013. March 23rd, 2013. Oh my days. I felt like this was like 2 years ago. My god. If anyone wants this, I just closed it. I went to click fucking open and I closed the bitch. If anyone wants the link to the song I'm bopping to right now, this is it. 7 fucking years old. And the worst thing is I actually saw a link underneath that said 8 years old. But fuck that. I cannot believe it's 7 years old. Not alone 8. Okay. So, weird how you think stuff was a few years ago. That was ages ago. Man, Pluto is a planet. A Rock City Boy. I fucking love this song. Okay. I haven't used player prefs in a while. Unity. Player prefs. My perfect dream. Where the fuck is my... I need blue tank. Almost said Play-Doh. Wait. Write all modified preferences to disk? Wait. When did this become a thing? Hold up. No, there is no need to call this function manually, so if I'm on thing quit on Windows. By default, Unity writes references to disk during in case when the game crashes. Otherwise, when did they add this shit? Player prefs.save. Wait, did you just say my Japanese dream? Wait, what? Yeah, my Japanese dream. I always thought it was my perfect dream. Okay, so I need to get, Oh my god, no. I just remembered player prefs. Okay, player prefs. We're leaving that for a moment. That's a lot of work. Like, that's quite a lot. What I will do is a don't delete on load. Which will be added to this. So, on, let's make a new one on pretty much next level. Next level. Make that an N, a capital N, and make that a capital L. I don't know why. I just have to do it. Okay, so public. Okay, actually, I don't know if I have to add that, or can I go by name? I think it's Unity, something on load. Unity keep on load or something. What is it? What's the word? Not this. Don't destroy on load or something. Yeah, don't destroy on load. I literally thought of it just before I saw it. Love this song too. Okay. Don't destroy on load, and then that's it really. Don't destroy on load, and then that game object. Okay. Let's do that now then. Okay, so the public game object player. Public game object follower, or maybe followers, just in case there is multiple, if you've got that lucky. Update, followers is equal to game object dot find game objects with tag. I'm gonna have to name them followers now because they weren't originally called followers, but followers. And on start, players equal to player. So player. Pretty much copy all of this. Paste. Change it from an S here to a single, and name this player with a capital P. And now we pretty much go down here and go don't destroy on load. That's what you did, right? Yeah. Player. Whip. Player. And I don't know if I can do this. Can I do an array? Follower. Whip. Whip. Pressing all the wrong buttons. Followers. Followers. Is that an option? Is that allowed, Unity? Or are you gonna be like, ha, no? I think you're gonna be like, ha, no. 48. It's complaining about 48, yeah. That's a bit of a bitch. Okay. I might have to rework the game around that issue. Unity. Don't destroy on load. Array. Array missing element after array of gameplay are being destroyed. Not to be clear array after thing. Okay, well, either way, at this particular moment, It doesn't need this. Right now, at this moment, that is not needed. For testing purposes anyway. So, okay. So what we need to do here is actually add a... How are we gonna do that? Wait a minute. That is some tomfuckery right here. No, it's not. We good. We good. I need to go to the player movement. Player movement. Add a new public game object and add it as next lev. And then pretty much copy this, paste it in here. Why did it do that? I have no idea. Hate when it does stupid shit like that. Okay, so else if you collide with next level. Whip, did not mean to hit that. Okay, so if you do that, send message. Why is it doing that? Send message dot next. Okay, let me just put this back to be whip. I'm gonna hit you a slap now, Unity. What the fuck are you doing? What is this? Why is it? Send message. How did I do this again? Also, the chat is super dead, by the way. Send message. Dot next level. No. How did I do this earlier? What script did I do that in? Not earlier today. I did it recently. Fuck. What did I need that in? I'm awake. I hate looking up examples on stream, but yeah, send message. I hate doing it, but oh, game object dot send message. Okay, player movement. Okay, so I needed to do next level dot send message, and then now it wants to jump back. Okay, I'm gonna move player up here. And then we just take next lev. I'm getting very annoyed at this Unity. Fell asleep at 7:30. Oh, Jesus, really, man? And then we go back to Unity. Okay, so I now need to go into the player. I need to go into the player and go to player movement. I haven't gone into that in a while. And make the main game manager that. And then I need to go into the game manager and make the player. And I'm going to make a game object just so I can test this. This, and I'll call it next level. And you know what? We actually have the files for the I actually have the art done for this, so I might as well just add it in now. Let's do sprite renderer, and have I added these yet? Actually, just gonna put this over here just so you guys don't end up seeing any of the stuff for the new game devlog. Creature. Well, I'm gonna have to fucking show you guys because I can't read it on my other monitor. Was it power up icons? No, you guys have already seen that, I believe. Miss. You haven't added this yet, I don't believe. I forgot I already had drawn this. So where did that go? Here we go. Sprite Editor. Nope. Multiple. Sprite Editor. Yes. Blop, 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 blop. Come on, computer. Slice. Yes. I'm happy. Yes. I'm happy. Yes. I'm clicking the button. I don't know if my mouse is just being special. There we go. Thank you. Apply. I don't know if it auto closes. No, I have to do. Great. Okay. Fuck, which one is it now? Okay, number 3 down. That's a big ass fucking gap to jump down. Okay, so now on this I want to do poly collider, which will make it the exact size of it. And let's do rigid body 2D and make it kinematic. And make it the tag of the new shit. I can't even see down to here. Jesus, I have a lot of fucking tags. I honestly can't see that. Holy shit. Okay. And now, according to this, if I walk into this, it should automatically replay a level. Something was not set. What went wrong there? Something didn't decide to work. Okay, one thing I want to do first is make that -3. No, -2. No, -1. Yeah. And I want to get rid of this poly blah blah blah, and I want to make it a box collider. No, I meant box collider 2D. My bad. And I want to really shrink this. Actually make it look like you're walking into it before the thing activates. Okay. Oh, yeah, it'd be great if I made it a fucking transform or thing, wouldn't I? Okay, so something went wrong there. Okay. Menu update. Follower is not defined 742 times. Why is that such an issue? Did I say specifically find? I did, didn't I? I said follower is equal to followers. That's really gonna bog down the game if followers isn't existent. So I'll clear up one of them. So we'll only have 19 problems now to fix to figure out why this is such an issue. Again, I didn't make this a trigger, so why is it not working? Oh, now we have 52. Room spawner on trigger. Room spawner. Add room. Room spawner. Add room. Face attached to animation. What the fuck? Why is this not working? This should work perfectly fine. Player movement. On enter 2D. That's what I use, right? It's not a different tag. Hey, doing, buddy? Welcome to the stream, man. If call that thing next lev Send. I did make that thing, right? I'm getting mega confused right now. I don't. My brain's melt. I hit something. My brain's melting. Holy fuck, that's a lot of else statements. Yeah. My player script is probably one of the player movement is probably one of the most in-depth. 159 lines, and there's still a lot to go. Right now we're trying to make it where you can go to the next level and keep your items, but we're having an issue where it won't even load the next level, so I don't know what I've done wrong. Player is set to player in the game manager, which it shouldn't delete, and in I don't get what's going on. What have I've obviously done something stupid, right? Player. Okay, close that. Close. Ew. Does that matter? No, it wouldn't. Game manager is the. Actually, you know what? Let me test something here. This here and go debug dot log yeah boy, it worked. So now if we get yeah boy, it worked, this shit worked, but the script just didn't finish for some reason. So this will tell us if it's getting the message to do the code or not, basically. Okay, now let's see. Did that get a yeah boy? Yeah boy, it worked. So let me just 100% make sure that that is working again by walking into it multiple times. So I'm what you would like to call fucking stupido, and I forgot to do the application.load level in on top of this after the effect of that. Stupid ass. Okay. So now, when I go through this, I already know what's going to happen if this works. My UI is not going to work, and the menu, or the minimap might not work. So walk through it. Bloop. Oh, shit. We cloned myself. Boy. Bloop. What the fuck? Bloop. Is it remaking a new level every time, or is that just... Bloop. It is making a new level every time. Bloop. 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 Well, it worked. Went down to and getting you're getting smoother prints. I went from 35 millisecond to 50 millisecond, and prints are coming out pretty damn good for me. So we definitely can both improve on our shit. This is why we need more printing buddies. We talk about this. There's a song that should be coming on now in a second. No, that's not it. You ever listen to like a couple of songs so much that you know what the next song is, and then when it doesn't play, you're like... Okay, How am I gonna fix that? I could make a script that at the beginning of the game it spawns me. Fucking smarticus over here. Okay. Let's go in the menu and have this as player is equal to find tag player. Duh. But I had it, my brain deleted it. Yeah. If player is not equal to null, then don't do this. Also, you okay? Can't hear a word you're saying. What?
Keeps coming up, it won't leave me alone.
Okay. What you're going on about? I thought something happened. Like, come on. If player is not equal to null, player is equal to that. Right? I know that works, but I don't know if that's gonna fix the issue. And null means not, and that exclamation point means not equal to null. So if there is something, don't wait. Fuck steak. No, if it is equal to null. No. Yeah, if it's not. I hate this. I never know if it's right or not. If it's equal to a not statement. Okay, so now pop through this. There is 2 that now we are controlling. And if I go through this again, see, the thing is now he is considered player 1. I have no idea now what the okay. Easiest way around it is game manager. New script. Since it's literally no on 0, it literally can't help you because I would like to. I'm gonna have to make an entire new script here that is player. Whoa, Jesus! What the fuck was that typing? Do I have caps lock on? Yeah, I do. Player spawn. Okay, so game manager. You're getting that. And now we will open you, which is probably gonna crash mono develop. Let's see. Damn, I'm actually surprised. Okay, so I want to go into player enemy shooting. No, enemy shooting or enemy spawn, even that would do. Let me copy all of this and slap that in here. And now make this, delete this, make this player, delete whip. What the fuck? How did I do that? Neve, do you know you can do this?
What?
Blip, blip, and like highlight shit.
Excitement! I did not. It's so handy so you can see what the hell you're referring to or like something you're trying to fix. Does it save it when you do that? Like if you do that, save it and close the script, does it stay up on it when you do it? Do it and see.
Mono develops a bitch, I'm not risking that.
Oh, that's mono develop. Ugh. It's better than Visual Studio shits.
Okay, so player is equal to, and then I'm gonna go back to this and grab this. player is equal to player. Your game tag player. But it's not gonna know that. So why am I doing that? It's not gonna know that because it hasn't spawned it in yet. So let me remove all of this. And you know what, actually? Just fucking delete. Grab all of this, cut that, slap it in here. You only want to do it once. And this is a player. And hey, I have a solution. Let's go. Okay, how we will do it is paste this in here and have this as player count and have this as a integer. And we will do what was it doing? My brain is mush whenever I code. Like, stuff that I'm not 100% sure about, my brain always turns to mush. How the frick are you able to withstand this freaking white background? I can't imagine coding at 1 AM with all that. This light. Man, I'm not gonna lie, I actually said that a few minutes ago to people. Is there a night mode? I actually don't know. I think there is a black and an orange version where it makes the text orange.
Yeah,
but
is it not in Teams or some shit?
Is there a Teams setting?
I thought there was. No, like in the actual Unity settings, I'm pretty sure you can.
Oh, in Unity there is, but I don't know in Mono Develop.
Okay. I remember. Excuse me, I remember Noel telling us about it before, but I don't remember how to do it, to be honest.
If player count is higher or equals to 1, there is many, but I really don't know where it was. Yeah, give me a sec to open mine and check it. Thank you very much, buddy. And then we do player count is equal to game object dot find game objects with tag player dot length. So let me do this and then player. So basically, if player is already spawned, or if player count is 0, if player count is 0, spawn it. If not, don't. I hope that's what that means. Because if not, okay. So let me add a empty where the player is. Add that in here. Add player. So now if I press play, it's probably gonna spawn one. Yeah. Okay. So I probably had the alligator the wrong way. So now if I press play, it shouldn't. It did again. Wait, did I put what it is? Yes, I did. If player count is greater than that. Wait, player is title player, right? Yes. So why when I start this does this not jump to 2? It stays at 1. Because there's technically 2. There's me, called player, and the other player, which is considered also player. Okay, wait. Let me cut this and add this into update. And I believe this was right with that. If player is more than 0, then don't spawn. Is that what that meant? Man, when it comes to them alligators, I never know if I have them in the right position or not. Holy shit, boy. Why did it continuously do it? It's not seeing the... it's not seeing the, It's not seeing the... Why is it doing that? It's not seeing the spawned creatures, or... Okay, let's make it easy then. Yeah, that'll also work. Okay. Let me copy this. Paste that. Put that out. Put that out. And go into this. And go... player... Actually, you know what? Game manager. I had to do it anyway, so might as well add it. And I pretty much copy you, slap you down here, and go, don't destroy and load. And post that here. Post that? Paste that. I don't have any statement telling him to stop. I'm pretty sure I did. If it's lower, to think I'm only going to make a game menu and GUI, nothing much. 1.5 hours later. Do you need a player counter? What I did there should fix it. But the problem is now, which I don't know how it's gonna really work. So if I do this, okay, let me update. Where is... Why is there so many? Okay, that's the player anyway. So let me get this and drag player into here. If I delete this and then press play, one moment, that's not going to work. I need to drag game menu into this, and I need to drag the new player into here. So now let me see if this works. It might not work. I might just fuck up. Okay, why can't I move him? Where's player? I can't even see him. What the fuck? Where is he? He's not showing up. Huh? How? How did I do that? Okay, 1 second. Now press play. What the fuck? I can shoot, but I can't move. Player. Player clone. Player movement. My speed is okay. My health is not showing up, obviously. Health text. Yeah, none of that's gonna find me. See, this is the problem now. This is where we get into the real fucking bullshit. Fuck. Okay, wait. Okay. If I move to the next area, will it still update the game? I didn't want to see if it... I wanted to actually see if the mini-map still worked with me, not if the enemy still spawned. Well, at least we know the enemy still spawned. Oh, fuck. Okay, I'm gonna have to revert back to when the player was still in the shit. Okay, how do we work around this now is the question. Okay, this is two of me bapping. Bop, 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 bonkers. Walk through this. Wait, how do both of us still live? Anyway, Flan, I'll have the speed of my printing from 40, and then based on yours. Man, I printed something earlier. I don't want to say what it is, but it turned out class might send you a picture on Discord. Okay. I need to go into that script. Okay. Okay. Player is equal to find game object. No. It's a game object dot find game object with tag player. So player is equal to player. Yeah? But like my brain, I keep getting ideas and then I'm like, but how's that gonna work? Found how to change the background. Menu tab on the top, there's tools. Tools, customize. General? Man, I don't know what the fuck you're bringing me into here. Tools. Tools, customize general, color theme. I do not see that. Why would player equal not player? I want to have it where if player is already spawned, don't spawn another player. So player is equal to player, and then if player is equal to null, don't do the player. Hold, Jesus, what version do you have? I have no idea, man. I really have no idea. I'm using Mono Develop. You're probably using Visual Studios, are you? Okay, and now player is not equal to null. Then do that. Right? No? Yeah, I've ancient ass version of this shit. I really should update, but I don't want it because I like having the older version. It works. Why fucking change it? Okay, so I need to make player equal to null or none. So now if I press play, my player should pop up here. Player count and all that shouldn't change, and hopefully another guy shouldn't spawn. And a guy did spawn. Okay, so let me just test something. If I delete you, see, it's... Okay, one thing I just want to test. I really have no idea why OBS shit itself. I'm still listening to music perfectly fine, so... A little bit of... I honestly just think OBS just has a little bit of a shit fit every now and again. I'm here late. Aiden Wolf, I've been getting... Okay, we're back. Okay. Okay. Give me a minute here. Let me... We have a player in the game. But the player is never not going to be equal to null, because the player is always going to be in the scene. So there's real no way to fix this. There's only one way I can fix it, and I really don't want to do it because it's a little bit annoying. But you know what? I'm gonna make a save. This could very easily fuck everything up that I've built. Like I don't have the time to do a backup. I lost my blue tack there. We will risk it for a fucking biscuit and see if it works. Canvas. That's okay. I'm gonna call this UI. Just actually make it a little bit easier. I'm gonna slap that onto the player. It didn't disappear. Why? Why did that work? That's never worked before. Why did that... Sure. Apply. Now, delete main menu player you start. It's not gonna work because player is equal to player and player doesn't exist. Hey you doing, Smack? What's the crack, buddy? Also, that thing didn't seem to work. Changing the team thing. So now, if this works, we fixed it. Can I move? My... Boy? What just happened? What the fuck? Why did it go pitch black? Wait, it worked for like 2 milliseconds and the game just went boom. I'm still there. Like... Player. I can still shoot and shit, right? What? Does the camera follow me? The camera actually did follow me. 3D sound still works. These... Enemies still see me as enemies except for the crossbone guys. Why can't I see my fucking game? Okay, let me bring the player back into the world, please. Okay. Let's go into this. Drag the player into that. Flan made extreme level. And played in the dark. Play it by sound effects, bitch. Let's try this. Is this one gonna work? There's no camera. Plop, now you have a camera. The camera follows you, completely changing the gameplay of my game. Shit. What the fuck? Like, we're just getting problem after problem. Why are these not shooting me? Like... Okay, I'm just gonna revert back. I'm so confused. So now, everything good, everything good, everything good. So go into our room. Fuck off, boy. I want to get a room that has an archer in it to make sure that the archers are back working. Where's this little skeleton fuck? Here he is. Hey, they're back attacking me. Why? Like, why are they back attacking me though? But they wouldn't attack earlier? Like, I don't get it. I'm also going to increase the sound range of enemies, because you have to be way too close to them to hear half of the shit. Okay, so... Okay, give me a moment here. There has to be a way to do this. Okay, when you go into... No. My brain is so, like, what? I didn't think this would be an issue. Okay, one moment here. What? Unity, don't. Unity, don't load on... Yeah, duplicate. How to not duplicate game objects on don't destroy load thing. People have this as an issue, so obviously it must be a common shit. So making a 2D RPG game, when I load a new scene, I have don't ever attached to the player script. This is so my players, as soon as be stats and equipment will not be removed. Exactly. However, when I go back into the game, you have 2 players, for every time the scene is loaded. Any suggestions? One way is to have a static instance variable of a class in the class itself and make it to check whether you should destroy it or not. Example, void awake, just don't destroy this. If player instance is equal null, player equals this, if else destroy game object. Another one I can think of is to create another class that holds the stat values and refer to that every time you load up a level. That's what I was trying to do with the player prefs, but player prefs are a bitch. This guy also has this option, which is and this is what I had: find things with player length. If player length is not equal to 1, destroy the game object. That's what I tried to do, but why wouldn't it work for me? What did I do differently? If more than 1 player is in the scene, destroy ourselves, else destroy game object. I don't know why this got downvoted. Worked perfectly for me. This is the simplest way. Okay, on start, don't destroy on thing game object. If instance is equal to null, instance is equal to game object, else destroy game object. Are you gonna add different difficulties? Yes. Hey, English? Man, this is where, like, this is what I mean. You look up one simple solution and there's like fucking 15 different ways to do it, apparently. Void start. Don't destroy your object. Vector tree, what the fuck? Why are you trying to find your player spawn point? If the player profile doesn't exist in the scene, then instantiate it. If game object player is equal to null. That's what I did that, but my own easier, simpler way. Bet the solution only work if other bits are the same. I feel like this guy's one. No. This is the one I was going with. This is the one I closely made myself. Look for the player dot length. If length is not or is greater than 1, destroy this game object. But why? a fucking idiot there. It shouldn't be on my game manager. Remove. This should be on just basic bitch random shit. Player spawner shit. Okay, so now I add the player spawner shit. Where is that? Player spawn. I'm gonna add player to player, and spawn point to spawn point. To be honest, I don't need to add these because I don't want it to spawn, but I feel like I should just yank that guy's script. This one seems like the most, like, yeah. Okay, so now let me just close mono develop, because mono develop don't want to let you copy and paste shit in unless it's closed and reopened. So let me reopen this. I will change it to make it my own, so don't worry. So let me just paste this in here. Why is that? Why is it a public private? What the fuck? Okay, this is gonna be fucking biatch. Did I have caps lock on? Player. And now I copy this, slap that in here, and slap that in here. Why is this giving me... Okay. He yanked this guy's script. You, my bitch. Okay, if player is equal to none, player equals game object. Else is right. How is that gonna work? Wait. Give me a minute. That should not work at all. What errors are we getting here? Oh. My dumb ass. This should not work. What in this is telling it? I don't get it. Nothing's looking for the player. How do I even... Okay, I need to make this a public... I actually don't even know what a public static is gonna do. But, I'm gonna find out. Because I can't even tell it what player is. How is it gonna know? No? What the fuck? I'm going for a Sig beer back, no butter buddy. Also, anybody got any music you want me to listen to? Okay. So player in here, press play. Does the player spawn? No, which is good. But that script deleted itself. So... why did that work? I actually have no clue. Oh, actually, we don't even know if that worked. Give me a moment. Super confused right now. What's, like... Okay, don't destroy player. We don't have that on yet. And obviously don't destroy yourself. So, we still don't know if that worked or not. No, it did not. And it is going ham. Okay, maybe my shit's wrong. Maybe I did fuck up in the other part of the code. Only one way to find out. Let me get a tack, and let's use player bone. So, oh no, sorry. That should be in power ups. Bones. Warsaw. Can I look that up now? So if I walk into this, I should have bone attack, which I do, which is hugely massive for some fucking reason. So now if I walk into this, I should still have my bones attack, and I don't. You should keep your existing shits. For a moment there, I was like, no way that guy's code worked. Okay, let me look up that other guy's code. On start, don't destroy this, which is your object you are right now, the player itself. Don't destroy you. Update if enter thing. Okay, I have an idea of something that. Hey man, sorry I haven't shown up in a few streams. I was been a little bit busy. It's okay, Isaac. No bother, buddy. I have a feeling that I may be a little bit of an idioso. Let me go into my game. I'm gonna remove it from the menu script and put it into the player himself. Why is this? Why is player non-existent in this? Public class player entities. One way is to have a static thing, another... Why? I've obviously done something wrong here again. Okay, you know, let's make everything super fucking... Let's make it just super easy. Just as easy as possible. New script. Don't respawn. Open that up. Please don't crash mono develop. Thank you very much. Let me slap that in here. Is that all good? Everything handy dandy? Player doesn't have an instance. Wow. Like, I don't understand. It keeps saying player. Where do they have in this? What's player equal to in this? This guy has... Maybe I leave that out. Yeah, now I can't find player instance. Like, what? Okay, let me just save it. I'm pretty sure Unity's gonna be like, player don't have an instance. What? Private static player instance. On awake, don't destroy unload dis. If player instance is equal to null, player instance equals dis, else destroy game object. But what's that's the thing I was saying. What's telling this script, that exact little script there? What's telling that? What's the player? Thanks, man. It worked, but actually, game object gets created, then is checked and destroyed it, and created the same problem for me. I did a little change in the code with this. Can you play your game from the start? We don't really have much kind of shit, really, buddy, to show. I'm having a problem with this where the original object will delete itself and the new one copy stays, but the new one is missing all its references. That's what I was getting earlier. That's where I was getting it, where the new one would spawn in, and it wouldn't have the UI, the camera wouldn't follow it, all that shit. This guy said he fixed it with this. Private static player void. I see, that's just all jumbles of shit there. That's exactly what he has. Like, there is no difference that I can see in that. How am I gonna... This is really, really fucking with my head. So he has this. Static behavior instance. On awake, if instance is null. Okay, let me try this. See if it works. I really have no faith anymore. I fucking copied that at the last second like a fucking dumbass. I press Control C instead of Control V. Fuck. This is gonna be one of our stupid little hurdles just to get over. And it's gonna be like a click of like 2 buttons or something. It's gonna be something absolutely so annoying. Why is there 2 mono... Wait, what? Why is there 2 mono behaviors? Oh, okay, so... This is not needed. Hey Flan, long time no chat. What's the issue you're encountering? How you doing, Rory? I'm having an issue right now, buddy, where I want to make it where when I load my new level for the game, it keeps my players' preferences. Like, it keeps my items I've picked up, it keeps my level, it keeps my experience and health and all. So it doesn't delete my character, so don't delete on load. But then when I don't delete on load and I go into the level, there's then 2 characters. And I tried to make it then where it finds the player, and if players are more than equal than 1, don't spawn player. But it still did it anyway. I've been getting a lot of issues with this. I've been looking up online, trying to find solutions and stuff, and nothing is helping me, really. See, why can't I have that? Why can't I have my behavior? The name my behavior doesn't exist in the current context. Okay, then fucking slap that into this then. Kablap. That alright? That loud? By the way, not sure if you saw it above tools, options, then something, color team, or highlighted. I didn't, it's not there for me, buddy. Weird. So is the desired effect the only have one player with all the old behaviors intact, or one brand new player? I want to keep all of my old information. So see right here, an example, if I show you real quick. Right here, I have just a normal guy going around. I pick up this. This is his new ability. It's not meant to be that size. I'll fix that in a second. But then I go into the next scene. I should still have that bone ability. And then obviously if I got hit, if I did this, if I did that, and then whatever else. But it just isn't taking that data through to the next scene, which is really fucking with my brain right now, to be honest. I've been on this for around 20 minutes or so. Don't respawn. So now let me try this. Okay, so take this, go through the shit. I have bones and we're in a new scene. What the fuck? But now wait. Am I still classified? See, right now, health didn't stay with me. But these still think I'm an enemy. Which is good. These still consider me an enemy. I like that. Okay. They still think I'm the head honcho of this bitch. My camera's not following me either. And these still shoot at me. Oh my god. Okay, wait. We might have been praised. We might have been praised. Is this because when you load the new scene level, you create a new player? If you do that, you lose the abilities you would have, and then you can show you the code that loads when the new scene. And your character didn't switch between rooms. Yeah. Okay. The problems we can fix now, 20 times easier than the problems we literally had a moment ago. We literally just need to go onto camera. We need to go UI. Wait, give me a minute. Okay, we need to go onto player. And we can see, like, health text is this. How we could fix that is very easily go into a script, which I'll do now in a moment. So just give me a second here. Flan, remember to save progress. Instantly. Health is just gonna be. Can I click you, please? Health is gonna be health. Player, slider is going to be called health bar. Self, up, down, left, right, invisible. All that looking good. Let me change that now real quick. Okay, so player, was that in player health? Player movement. Player player movement. Okay. So start. Health bar. Or just don't work there, Unity. Health bar is equal to find game object. Game object dot find P Sherman 42 wobbly way Sidman what? Find game object with name. I hit something there. Insert game object dot name. No. What is it? What's the one? Find with name or some shit. Unity. Find with name. Game object find. Is it not just like what? Yeah, if I had to find an object by name, 2010, Jesus. Yeah, game object enemy is equal to is that it really? Just find. And then health bar. That's basically it, right? And now I just literally delete this and delete that and take them out of this and bring it into here. No, bring it into here. Right after it does the right after it loads the next level, refind your health shits. Cannot convert Unity game objects to use slider. Cannot convert game object to float. What? The text, right? What did I do? Oh. It's not meant to be. It's meant to be, well, like UI or something. Text health, did I call it? I always call it some stupid shit. What did I call it? Player health, yeah. Something stupid. I knew I wouldn't fucking remember that. Player health. Big ass fucking ugly line. Okay, so that should have fixed one of them issues, right? So we should only have one. Cannot game objects to text? What? You have a space between find and bracket. If not, I'm not sure that's allowed. Oh, really? Is that the issue? No, that did. It says it can't do game objects. So do I just do UI? Like UI.find. No? It's kind of stupid. Like, it used to just be gameObject.name, right? Like, UI equals gameObject. I hate when it does that. Dot find with. Is there not a find with name? No. Find with name. Name. Like, it's something stupid. It's annoying me. What line does the error point to? 150, I believe. Yeah, 150, 151, these two. It can't convert a game object to a UI object, which is what the things are I'm getting. But the problem is, I don't think you can do game object that find UI. To my knowledge, game object dot find. Maybe find objects of type, and then you do dot UI. Dot UI. I really, what the fuck did I click there? I really don't know. Maybe I do this, and then in there I do UI. Unity engine dot UI. Is that allowed? Is that a thing? I made that bitch up. If that works, I don't think I saved it, did I? Unity AI is a namespace, but a type was not. Was this expected? What? There is, again, I'm not familiar with Unity, but what the lines of code trying to achieve? You are trying to get a name of an object. And what I'm trying to do is, once I have loaded into the new level, the game doesn't know what my UI is or what my health bar is. So I'm trying to say to it, hey, find these objects with the name this and make your health bar equal to the name health bar. But I'm just gonna try one thing real quick. Just gonna blip these out, and I'm gonna try to do what I did earlier, and if I just put the UI under the player himself, that should just work, right? Okay, so let me go and get attacked and then go through the this shit real quick. Okay, so let me take a decent bit of damage here. Fuck! I hate being in these spiderwebs. Getting a little bit of lag here. What the fuck? Okay, so now if I go through this, I should have 81.8 health coming out of it. Hey, and we do. Okay. So that kept my health coming through the world. But now the camera isn't following me. Okay, now this is gonna be a new one to fix. Okay. So is there any script on this? No? No. Is there any script on this? Camera follow. Okay, if I turn this off, is the camera using that to follow me, or what exactly is it using? No, it's not using that to follow me. How is the camera following me? I can't remember what script I made to fucking... Oh, here it is, camera follow. Why do I have two camera follows? The camera follow object. The camera follows game object, right, fun? Yeah, it follows another object. I have this script on twice, which I really don't understand why. Actually, to be honest, that might be my minimap. But how I need this to work now is... Okay, when I go through, that's gonna unreference itself, isn't it? Yeah, missing references. Okay. Okay. So this is not going to be a main camera. This is untagged. But it should still work, right? Okay, everything is still working as far as I can see. Okay. So, how I'm gonna fix that? Player. Just go into that script and modify it. And where do you have the HP health bar? Show me. I put it into the player, so that works now. We got that fixed. It's just now we need to get the main camera moving into the next scene with us also, and we can't have it on the player, and that just crashed. So that is that's some nice old wholesome fun right there. What the fuck am I listening to, by the way? This is some ass. Like, what the fuck? I've been probably been brain dead because I've been listening to shit for the last like hour. Let's put on some good music. Wait. Oh yeah, I was gonna say the camera follows up here. We still need to find the it's annoying me. Like, I want to find it by name. See, that's what I was gonna use, just find by tag. Can't you do something like GameObject.find UI.get component health bar? That's what I tried earlier, but it was saying you can't convert a game object to a UI object. Unity is very fucking specific about not being allowed to do that. Why? Find game object with part of name. Find. Okay. How I know I'm gonna fix this? And I'm an idiot. I'm super annoyed now. Enemies. Mother spider. Spawn slime. No, maybe it's baby spiders. Where's baby spider? I made a script earlier that had this feature in it. I'm an idiot. Where is it? Player to find this. That's it. That's the problem we've been trying to have for like 14 weeks. So annoyed right now. I'm actually so pissed. Okay, so I want to have cam. Okay, cam is equal to that. Why is it not game? Okay, just not want to work there for a moment. Cam 2 is equal to that. What was used in that? Just out of curiosity. Player. Close movement. Some points weren't used. Okay, so cam. The room collider finds itself, and then work, I believe, is just its own transform it goes to, right? Okay, work is not actually used. What's image? Oh yeah, I tried to do a a transaction. If you don't want it to get real, worky with it, just make a public game object help bar and reference it after. But that's the thing. It's already a public game object. Like, it's already available for anything to get access to. It's just not letting me for some stupid reason. Okay, let me so it was this. What was it using? It was using it's only using main camera and game object actually. And the game object is on the camera, so if I just look up main camera main, that's what this is going to be called, main camera main. And slap that in here. No, okay. Main camera main. And then this is going to be called cam help. Let me go back into this and call this cam help. Oh, then just Unity being a bitch. Yeah, Unity. As you can see, Unity is getting real glitchy. I bet you anything if I closed Unity and reopen it, it would probably fix 80% of these issues. I don't know why Unity likes to just do that. So now, when we go through the scene, or through the loader and come back, it should work. This isn't going to be my final game release fix, but it's going to be my fix for now. So let me go through a room. This is that. Let me go through here. Okay. Now let me go through another room and it should follow me. Hey, buddy. Let's go, game. Now we have it where it will transition from level to level. Now the next 2 or 3 fixes we need to add is let your followers come through with you if you have a follower. So I really don't know how I'm gonna do that. Like, it's gonna be a hard one. If I go into the menu script, I believe we don't actually have I believe we don't even have anything on the game manager. Yeah, we're not even using player or game manager. So I'm gonna annotate them out. So let's annotate these 2 out here. Load level. I want to do this real quick. And now annotate that again. And I'm gonna make this a... How would I... Wait a minute. Yeah, okay. That's how I would do that. Just gonna have that as Ghostman. Spider. Follower. Alright, I'm gonna leave for today. Good luck with it. No bother, buddy. Huge thank you for the suggestions, for the help. I'm sorry if you like were helping me and my brain just really wasn't realizing it. Sometimes with Unity, it just stuff you easily say should work and it just doesn't. You're like, don't destroy on load. Okay, so now I need to do if Ghostman is not equal to null, then do that next part. And then pretty much just copy this, paste it in here, slap that in there, and change this to spider follower. And then in update up here, I pretty much make a spider follower equal to game object dot find, and make this whatever I call spider follower in the actual game. And same with this Ghostman. A little bit of extra work there, but what do I call them? Followers. I only have two, so I have follower ghost and follower spider. So let me fairly simple with the names there, wasn't I? Follower ghost. Let me copy this, paste in here, change that to spitter. I think YouTube's at the going, hey, you're not watching any shit anymore. And let me actually go this one. Okay. Okay. So now I need to do what's the load level tutorial one for? That my actual main level is called tutorial rather than level. As I said, I will change it down the line, but for now, it'll do. Okay. Also, didn't know you were back in 14 from the smoke break. If you did say, I'm sorry, my brain's blanked. Pickups. Body. Okay, so let's see if this works real quick. Okay, so if I go game manager, if I walk into this, we have a little boy following us there. It did not work because... Why did it not work? Huh? A little bit confused there. Ghosty follower. Yeah, we have a little ghost guy that follows us. Same with where is it? Same with a little spider egg. If you get the spider egg, you pick up a little spider follower. But let me go back into this. It should be popping up here when we run into it. But like when I go through this now, they're gone. I want them to come into the world with us. Why is that not working? Is it when I spawn them? They're called something else, aren't they? Are they called like clone or something? Did you get Arc Evolved installed? I don't believe I did, buddy. I actually don't even know if I got it for free. I'm trying to figure out how you can get it without the clone. Hey! Hey, okay. So now if I go through this, do we have them? The spider didn't delete himself. I've installed it and everyone was about playing it with mods. 150? Oh my god, man, fuck that. Okay, so the spider's still with me. So it worked with the spider. Why did it not work with the ghost guy? Oh, did work with the ghost guy. Multiple ghosts. So why didn't it work if I had both of them? That was a little bit weird. Oh, it did. But did I just not notice him last time? Or maybe if I did it, maybe because I did it in a different order? If I get the ghost first and the spider? Oh, they worked. Maybe turn the opacity of the ghost up a smidge. No, it seems to be working. Okay, then we basically have it where we can carry any power-ups, our gold, everything into a complete new scene. Like the game is basically done. All the like 4-5 newest things we need to do is have the beginning cutscene, make the proper menu, add like 4 or 5 bosses, and we basically got like a proper tech-ish demo. A minimo, hey. And controller support, actually. This PlayStation 2 wire keeps flopping back and hitting me in the ass. Movie level of starter cutscene. We're gonna have a little cinematic, comic book style intro scene. Now the new thing we need to do is, I probably won't do it in this video. Whenever we kill a boss, this little door is spawned. This is our getaway door. Does it look like a door, or does it just look like a weird boomerang kind of style thing? To me, it looks like it's like a hole or something. But again, I don't know. Oh, you said turn the ghost's opacity up a smidge. I was trying to think what was the thing I needed to do. Hole in the ground. Does that look like a hole in the ground, or no? Is this much better for the ghost? You can definitely see him a smidge better, but... Okay, I want to know what's making this lag so much. What's been... The variable player in map fixer has not been assigned. Where is that? Do I need that on? Hey, treasure room. Also, M14, you're gonna see a thing I added now to the treasure room. When I walk out, you'll see the skull turning back on and off. I have that now where when you're in the room you don't notice it, so it doesn't get distracting. Okay. So we don't need that map fixer thing. From what I can tell, anyway. Maybe you need it for the minimap. I actually don't know. What's that map fixer for? Maybe this was. I'm so confused. Is this what made the minimap follow me? I really should have named files better. I'll walk up in here since it's okay, the minimap didn't follow me. If I turn on this, will it? Why isn't my minimap follow me anymore? What did I do? Well, I obviously did something, but is it because I turned it off on that? See, look at the minimap, it's updating constantly now. Is that causing lag or not? I really have no idea, man. I'm trying to figure out. Okay. Okay. I need to go back into this. And I'm at the Taco Bell. I'm at the combination Pizza Hut and Taco Bell.
Your favorite merchant?
I'm at the combination Pizza Hut and
Who
Taco
sings
Bell.
that?
I don't know.
Because I thought it was your favorite merchant for a minute, and then I was like, no.
Combination Pizza Hut and Taco Bell. Where the fuck are my mints?
Disappeared.
I got them. Okay, I found a fix for what I was doing. Public full main camera. I'm live. What you been adding? Mainly making it now where you can leave. You can leave a level, and when you go into a new level, all your followers, your equipment, your health, your items, your fucking gold, all your shit now goes into a world with you. Sadly, I don't think I will ever have it as a way where if you leave it, like you quit the game, I think your shit's just gone. I have no idea how to add that shit. As I said, I'd need to learn Jason to do that, and I ain't learning that anytime soon. Jason is, for people who do not know, it's an entire other programming language, and I don't give a shit enough that much to learn an entire new language. That brown square is like a part where you go deeper. Yes, I know it's not very clear what that does or what that is meant to be even. Okay, so what I need to do here is make, when this changes, I need to tick this little box and leave this blank. And now my I'd add a ladder to it. Nah, man. Jason is my brother's husband. you've I wasn't joking in a funny way. You've a gay brother? That's pretty cool. I think everyone just has a gay brother at this point. Also, it's so weird drinking lemon after just having cider. Might pour myself one drink in a moment. I'm gonna make you Pizza Hut. I was gonna say, I've never seen a room with 2 enemies before. These 2 flies decided to ambush me. Yeah, same as you. Okay, did that work, or? Okay, so let me try this. Why is it not working? I'm so confused. JK. Good guy, bad guys, and explosions. I'm so confused why my minimap is just like, no, I'm not gonna work anymore. Did it work that time? See, I don't want to fight a room of full enemies just to test it. Why? You're like, why isn't it working? Why am I sharing this on Twitter? There's nothing on that. Yeah, there is. Why isn't this working? What did I do to the script? Okay, I'm just going back. I'm really annoyed why this minimap thing stopped working. I remember before it happened and I clicked like 1 or 2 buttons and it just like instantly fixed it. Okay. Turn on camera. No. Turn on map fixer. No. Go on minimap. Player. Where's player? I actually can't find player in this. Where the hell did he go? Why was he underneath that? I'm honestly just super confused. I don't want it to move with me. I'm an idiot. I am an idiot. There. Now it should work. I'm forgetting my own code. I done this so long ago. So now that should... I wanted it to follow the other camera. So now when it goes through, it should update. That was a complete brain fart. PPAP. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this. Okay. Equals. Okay. And then it's do public bool. Why is it on caps lock? Public bool. True map fixer. If what? Come on, game. Okay. So now it gives me the option. Let me make this a true. And if I save this, and now if I go through the ladder thing, it should still load up. Boy. I don't know what just happened there. I got eviscerated from existence. Okay. So, let me go to a room and that should still update. Why didn't the camera follow me? Okay. Now it should work. Okay, I go up here. It updated. I go through this. I go up here. And it works. Hey. Nice. Okay. I'm so happy. We got this done in one stream. This is a huge leap. Okay. Where is that misc? There should be a ladder. Here we go. Someone said to add a ladder to it. Something like that. Actually kind of looks like it's going into it now. I kind of like that. I fucking love this song. So no way I can... Oh yeah, because I have it rotated. My bad. No, I can't. Okay, I was gonna try add shadow to it. Okay. Well, we might as well... Where's, yeah. Do I need that, actually? No, we don't. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna slap in a save. Okay, I'm gonna delete that. And I'm gonna go into the bosses. Summoner. Next scene. Okay, so now I need to find if health is 0. Where's health? Okay, here we go. Next scene. This game object. Okay, so let me copy this over to... What's the flame boss's script actually? Boss. Flame boss. Then just flame boss working. So I don't know which one is the good one. I think I should have a boss. Boss spawner. Yes, I'm using this one. Okay. Okay, where's is if health is 0? Okay, here we go. But it doesn't really matter anyway. I can just do this. Okay, that. next scene. And then if I go into Summoner. Oh, did I not save the Summoner one? I didn't. I wish it would just save all, but it doesn't, sadly. Okay, so now I'm gonna play it. A first actual playthrough of the game. And let's give myself bones, and let's give myself the little demon guy to help me. Can we get to the boss? Nope, it didn't generate a way for me to get to the boss. I should have checked that before getting all the stuff. And this one we can. Okay. Okay. So, let me grab the little demon. And bones. Okay, and now let's hope we get a killable boss. We got the mushroom. Fuck. Fuck off, boy! Something's still alive. Oh, fuck. I know why it does that. That's a simple fix. It's just I keep forgetting about it. Hey, it's a killable boss. Okay. So now if we kill this bitch, hopefully we can, hopefully it'll spawn their room, which it did. Now let's give it a moment. Let these spiderwebs despawn. Let us pick up these items. And let's see if it works. Why did that not work? Oh, it did work, but it didn't put my position back to the beginning room. Okay. Okay. Simple fix. Simple fix. Where is menu? Is there a... okay, so let me go public game object spawn and in this go ghostman.transform.position is equal to spawn dot transform dot position. Grab this, paste, make this spider follower, and make this player. And I think these two, this one needs to go in here. No, that's ghost. This goes in here. And this goes in here. So now that should work. So let's test that again. Easy way now to make this super fast and easy. I'm gonna minimize that, open this up, and make my fire rate player attack. I'm gonna make this Wombo. I'm gonna shoot like 1 billion bullets a second. Boy, you dare come across me at peak performance. Let's go. Who else wants to spawn? Come on. Didn't even stand a chance, buddy. Okay. An enemy we can't fucking beat, goddammit. We need to make these bosses so that isn't a situation. I also need to do it where it spawned the red skull I saw and then instantly deleted it. I need to make it where once you get a certain ability, the ability is deleted from the game, so it's not so you don't get duplicates of it and stuff. I don't know why enemies are out in that bit of a corner room there. Wait, where's the enemy? Oh, we've already bet it. And also, according to the game, there's coins up here. I didn't even see them because the mini-map, god damn it. Hey, we can fight this one. Fast as shit. No. Couldn't do it because my dumbass forgot to name what the player was. Let me remove anything in this that has about don't delete player. Anything to do with player in this. That should work. Can I get to that? No. Again, in the version you guys get, you won't have the you won't have this where you can't go into rooms thing, because I'll make the rooms generated in a way where you guys don't have that issue. It's just for me now, testing purposes, it's going to be 100% randomly generated. It keeps it interesting for me. And you guys will be getting a randomly generated few worlds as well, so. Yeah, that one's workable. Hopefully now we get the just a wave of onslaught. Hopefully they get hopefully we get a boss that's workable in this one. God damn it! I just want to 100% make sure this can work, and then I'm ending the video. This should work as well. I was pressing F there. Ooh, that's going to be a problem. I should make spider webs a different color depending on what spider made them. And enemy spider webs might be red. Hey, okay. Okay, he did. No. Bloop. What? Why is it not working? What the fuck? Nope. I'm an idiot. I'm actually I'm super stupid. Menu. Or game thing. Spawn. There are still bosses on the map. No. I didn't tell it where I wanted the fucking player to respawn back at. I'm an idiot. I made the spawn point, I never fucking told it to do it there. So to test it, to make sure this works without fighting another boss, I'm just gonna slap that in this room, and I'll just walk into it, and it should teleport me back. So let's fight everything in here first. Let's make it slightly interesting. Oh boy. Oh. Okay, now if I go in this. Hey! As far as I'm aware, I can't use the same door twice. Yeah. Game object destroyed, but you are still able to access it. Wait, what? Game object has been destroyed, but you can still access it. I don't think that's... Okay. Let me do... boss spawner. Okay. Let me go into this. Okay, let me make it 2, actually. Okay, I'll make it to 2 bosses that are actually fightable. I need to make sure it works. So I need to get the look of 2 good draws in a row, on top of the fact of just not getting screwed, basically. I might slow down how much you get slowed by them spiderwebs. It feels like way too much. How did he spawn? How did he spawn? Okay. Forgot. Let's just start a wombo combo fight. Okay. So now we go through this. Brent is back here. Okay. That doesn't bother me. I'm just gonna bring him in and use this guy anyway. Why can't I use that? Mr. Triangle. I made a cool kind of triangle guy. When I animate him, he'll actually look pretty decent. Is this an enemy spider or? Why can I only use it once? Like... Why can't... Yeah, what? Nope. Okay, let me try something here real quick. If I go in here, do this. Okay, there we go. We got an error message. We got that. The object of type game object has been destroyed, but you are still trying to access it. The strip you either check if it is null or is not destroyed. Okay. So player. Wait. Game object has been destroyed, but you are still trying to access it. Your script should either check if it is null or should not destroy the object. Okay. Look at all these errors. Like, all these errors are made in a few seconds. Why? See, in first scene, make us the singleton. So... Why isn't this? I don't get it. I don't get it. I thought it was not working because it was the same portal. So if I decide to add a second portal in, just for shits and gigs. Okay, so if I take the first one, I still have my bone ability. So if I take the second one, I can't. The object type game object has been destroyed, but you're still trying to access it. Okay. So next level dot send message next level isn't a thing anymore. So after you use it the first level, it's null on every level? I don't know. I feel like I know what's wrong. It's just I kind of goofed on it for a moment. Yeah, game manager. Where's game manager on this? Game manager shouldn't delete itself, right? Menu. Game manager is not saving itself. It's sacrificing itself for the greater good. And that's what's fucking up my code, I believe. Well, that's what I believe anyway. So let me grab this. So now we have bone. Walk in. We're out. With bone. Yes. Can I walk back into that? Yes, I can. Let me walk into this. I can use it multiple times. Let's go. Okay. I believe we have it working. So now let me delete this and this. I did click the delete button, Unity. This. Let's save it. Also, let me drag the bone up a smidge. And I'm going to drag in 1 or 2 other power-ups just to be 100% sure. Power-ups, let's drag in the homing bullet. Spider boots. I don't think I ever told you guys about spider boots. I actually made an ability where, remember I was saying I don't like walking over the spider shit, it makes me super slow. Spider boots pretty much negate that. I made it, I don't think I ever showed you guys that. So let's see if that if this data carries on true. Can't go through that world, sadly. Can't get to that one either. I'm really gonna have to work on that. Why it's not like loading shit. Can't get into that either. Well, to be honest, I can. You guys, you mean me? Yes, I mean you, man. There's nobody else up in this bitch. Okay, so now we have spider boots active and homing missiles. Or did I do homing or twisted? I think I did homing, right? I don't know. Oh yeah, I did homing. Why is it? Oh, I didn't even see the... I didn't even see that, whatever it's called. Can I, like, move this? No? Why can't I move the player? Slide through the wall. Hacks with flan. Okay, now let's test this. Bloop. Okay. Is this a workable system? There's not even a boss in it, really. Okay, well, how to fix that is just go boss. Grab the one that's named boss. This and make this a boss level. Yo, Flan, did you print that second? Did you print second guy suggested? Oh man, yeah, definitely. How could I not? Especially one of them in rainbow. I just realized I don't think my bullets are homing anymore. I think my bullets are back to basic bitch bullets. No, they're homing bullets. You just didn't home him. I don't know why. And now let's go through this. Let's go. We are fucking womboing up in this shit. Look at that. Oh! Homing bullets are just OP as shit. If this was a boss, look at the amount of bullets we're shooting. Fucking rave going on with the amount of followers I have. Game is lagging quite a bit, and I have a suspicion why it's doing that. Okay, let me go. Let me open up this. Let me just close Unity. Literally just reopening Unity, closing it and reopening it. Is there a way so that if you pick up a duplicate of a follower, it makes it a current one stronger? Yes, actually. I thought you were going to say if you pick up another follower, it just changes the color slightly so you don't get confused. Yeah, that is actually easily doable. I can make it where if follower already exists, like make one shoot faster or make one like change the sprite to like level 2 version. It would take a little bit of script, but yeah, it'd be pretty good. It would reduce the lag of having like 10 spotter followers. True. Okay. Now the lag should be like non-existent. Because the reason it was laggy is because I had Unity open for probably more than like an hour. Unity don't like that on my computer. So now we should be getting like flawless. Yeah, look at that. Look how much smoother it is. Like even with followers, so much smoother. I don't understand why closing Unity just goes, oh, it's just gonna work better now. Like I did nothing. I literally did nothing. See how fast that was? Even with the billion of us. Like, the lag had nothing to do with my code. It's just Unity being Unity. I'm gonna drag this in. There was a boss there a sec ago. Where? Oh, these guys are fucked. Everything was good until the Flan nation attacked. What's N14? Do you want to see a little sneak peek since you're the last guy here? I think that is that homing or is this homing? I don't know. Yeah, you get a little sneak peek of the new boss I made. This is my new boss. As I was saying earlier, I have no idea how I'm going to that should get rid of all 6 of them, yeah. I've no idea how I'm going to it should be around there. I've no idea how I'm gonna do a health bar of this because as you will see now, it randomly dies as you press play. No, that wasn't meant to happen. Let me go room entry room destroyer. Excuse me. There should be a main menu. Main menu? Where the fuck is it? Game manager. Here we go. Fix ting. Okay, so there we go. Why is it dying instantly? How you doing, Dean? I'm actually kind of annoyed and afraid to why this isn't working. Are you serious? Why? Why is it not doing that? A little bit in. It's dying because its health is set to fucking... Its health is set to 0 for some fucking stupid ass reason. Okay, let me see. There we go. I made a snake, M14. I made a snake enemy. The reason it is kind of going out of screen is because it's meant to be spawned around here. I think this worked so fucking well. I've never done anything like this before, and I did it all myself without looking up code, and I was so fucking happy. It randomly picks a spot within the screen, and it'll go there. It'll wait a second or two, and it kind of gives you like a second to attack it. I think it turned out super fucking cool, but the problem is with this, what I was saying is, how I cannot get its health bar is this. If I do this real quick, I need to... if I do this... God damn it. I need to hit it. Why isn't it working?
What the fuck are you doing?
It's not... What? I'm super confused right now. You gave it 100 health. I did. I did. Oh, okay. Delete that. I actually have the original bitch still in here. Okay, I'm a little bit happier now. Oh, I didn't. Yeah, I gave it 100 health, but I gave it no damage, so it wasn't taking any damage. This is what I wanted to show you. You can do this with it. Okay, let me. There we go. It splits and it becomes multiple enemies. I might actually make it where if you give it too long, I have something in my teeth. Let me. If you give it too long, it might regen. So like it might regrow, like the smaller part might grow like an extra bit of a tail and make it a longer. I really don't know. I might do that. That might be a thing. Like if things following is less than 5, make it 5 or something. I think that is super fucking cool. I'll also add an indicator to tell you when you're actually hitting it. So it's like the old game. Like what old game? I think this is so fucking cool though. I need to add textures to it, so I'm actually just make it like a green now while I'm in stream. And I'm gonna make the original head like a darker color. I can also make it where once you kill, or once, see, the head instantly gets, excuse me, the head instantly gets deleted because of the because of that destroyer box thing. Why did that not pick a location? Oh, I turned off the script off that? Why did I turn the script off that? It's kind of weird. Did that die again? Or what was the deal? Did that just like instantly disappear? Oh no. Now I think that looks a lot cooler now with a bit of color in it.
I like that the first one's darker.
But I want to do it now though, that if I do end up splitting it, I want to make it where the top pieces then become darker.
I understand.
How I would do that is literally just
break your brain for a minute.
No, it's actually quite easy. I've done it before. No, wait, it's a centipede. Centipede enemy. So now I need to go into that snake script. Do I have it open by any chance? Atari Centipede. Boy. So now do color. Okay, I'm just gonna do this. See you later, Dean. I'm just gonna pop. No? Okay. I need to go to enemy. Here we go. No summoner. Let me slap this off you. Slap that in here. Okay, I want to go take this and bring it into if hit. Okay, I need to rework this. Okay, I need to actually add the whole hit script or hit thing into this. Is this an actual just separate? Yes, it is. Let me just add this in. I didn't think I had to re-implement this to do it, but eh. Okay, so let me remove these three for now. And where is if hit is true? Do that. And is that an update? Yes, it is. Let me delete. Actually, no. Let me just do this. Hit or public. Bool. Hit. I think it was with a small h, wasn't it? Hit. Okay. So. I don't want speed to be changed. I don't want wait time. Oh, I do. If you don't shoot it in the head, it splits in centipedes. Attacked color doesn't exist. Where does it say attacked color equals? Attacked color doesn't exist. Okay, Control F. Attacked color equals white in hit. But it's in this. What? Attack dot color is equal to new color. Okay, let me do hit dot color. Oh, here, this is why. I'm super, like, it's so weird going back to old code and shit, trying to make it work. Ah, that's why. Okay. There we go. And... okay, so now let me save that and quit out for a moment. So now when I hit it, it should technically flash. Could not confloat. Could not confloat. Could not convert float to int. Okay. Where was that? Line 82. Yeah, okay, I was thinking that. Okay. Okay, I need to re-whip. I need to rework this into here. Save that. Huge thank you, M14, for sticking around, buddy. Nobody else has, so thank you very much. Okay, so now when I hit this, it should go red to kind of indicate it has been hidden. Which it did, but it didn't change back. Which, let's just make her a red snake then for the shits and gigs. Man, I'm not gonna fall asleep till like 4. Elon live, I'll probably say if it's a snake, the less blacks and wait, what? I'd probably say if it's a snake of less that 2.3 blobs, then execute.
Less than 2 or 3 blobs.
I'm trying. I don't understand why this isn't working. If hit is equal to true, wait time to thing. If wait time's more, do the normal shit and go to white. Yeah, taking off my headphones for a moment. Okay, let me just spray into this.
Fuck you, Nightbot.
What?
Way to make that girl feel fucking welcome.
What?
I said, hey, I'm 14, and Nightbot's like, yo, bitch, what up?
And?
I wasn't saying hi to the fucking Nightbot, bitch eyes.
At least he had the thought to do it.
No, just me.
Why is this one over here not moving? Is he just continuously picking? Yeah, he's just continuously picking this one corner. What the shit? Hmm.
Fuck's sake, Nightbot. Fuck off.
Eva, I'm gonna whoop your butt. Shut up, please. What the fuck? I'm doing it. It's too fucking warm. Okay, I'll leave that code in here. Looks like it's working. I'm gonna take that code out. What does it say? My body is like... I'm fucking dying. I have water! The good stuff. Ugh. Oh, and this is just like pure ice as well. This is beautiful. Also, when I was pouring, when I was like defrosting this, I actually poured a little bit too much hot water on it, so the lip of the lid deformed, and yeah, the water actually can just like pour straight out of this if it wants to. Yep, there we go. So, all over my arm. I turned it upside down and nothing came out, so I gave it a good old squeeze just to be sure, and you fucking went over. When you said want to see the extra thing, I thought you meant that print. Do you want to see an extra print? Okay, so now hopefully he doesn't go red. Okay, I'll make it where he does down the line. One thing I do want to do though is fuck it. I'll do it another time. I'm really not bothered. I'm super tired. I mean, wumbo tired. It's fucking nearly 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm up in like 6 hours. Let me grab my print. Also, you're gonna hear my back crack like a bitch. Or not. Okay. Just looked weird now me doing this on camera, but eh.
You gonna show it?
I'm gonna show it to him 14 since he'd only boy open this bitch. So M14. Because you stayed to the very end, you get to see my latest printing project. Keep in mind it's like it's pretty big. Let's let's show you. Also, let me close this. I don't need this open anymore. Let me open up my camera so I can actually see it. It's a Binding of Isaac print, and like you may look at it and go, boy, that's not so impressive when you realize the fucking size of the bitch. It's like half the size of my head. It's fucking huge. Look at it. Look at it. It's like 4 inches. How big is this? 3.5, 4 inches? Actually, 3.5 on the fucking 3.7, 3.6 inches. It's fucking udge. Fuck.
M14's like, but a heart attack.
Man, it is fucking class. Like, I spray painted it white, as you can tell. It was originally black. I'm gonna spray it pink, and then I'm gonna paint it. I actually have blue tack stuck in its mouth, so the back of his like throat is still black. And then I'm gonna put more over his teeth now soon. I'll actually probably do that now. Where when I spray paint him pink, his teeth will still be white, and his back of the mouth will still be black.
Coolios. Can I paint some?
No.
Like you did the spray paint right?
No. You take way too long.
That was trying to get your shitty paint to work.
And then I used it 2 seconds later and it worked perfectly.
No, you used a different one, remember?
Nice skill there. I've never printed something, I've never painted something and then went over it with a second different color. So this is basically a test, but I hope it works, because if it does, I will be super happy. Because I did Little Baby Isaac ages ago, and I actually used the custom print you were talking, or the custom support on his mouth, and I pretty much did the rest of the print. I didn't do print support on the body at all, and the only part I needed support was the overhang of his mouth. So this fucking flew off. This only took like 4.5 hours. Really fucking good. Only one little teeny tiny thing that I'm annoyed about is when I decided to spray paint it, it started to rain, and the little teeny raindrops got in under some parts of the spray paint, and there's like little blobs or like areas where it just kind of fucked up. So I'm hoping the next coat will kind of just fill them in. And did you custom print come out well? Did the custom prints come out? Well, yeah, the custom supports came out fucking class, man. So I'm gonna throw this back. I'm gonna end the video and I'll throw it back. So a huge thank you to everyone who popped into the video. As I said, I really did not expect to do that what's it called? Where's main menu here? They can be a bit finicky. I got it to work grand. I got I will say, when I was printing it, I could hear a lot of like I was like, oh, this is gonna fail like halfway into it, and I was like, please, just fucking hold out. And it the print was done. I looked at it. There was a lot of shit on my bed, like little bits that chipped off or broke off. And I looked at it and I was like, boy, where did they come from? I was like, it was just nowhere to be seen. So, yeah, at the end of the day, I was fucking happy. I didn't fucking break my shit. Okay, so credits, exit, play, pause, quit, continue, quit, continue. Quit would work if we were in the full build. Okay, let me go up and try fight a boss. I need to test something real quick. Oh, I still have like super fucking billion bullets a second on. I didn't realize. Also, I need to fix these maggots not really showing up. Yes, it's a fightable boss. No. Hey, and you can still pause it. Okay. You can still pause. That's handy. Hey! Nothing spawned. That's the first time I've ever seen no skulls or anything spawn. Also, I don't think anyone's noticed, but I actually added why are none of the skulls? Why are none of the skulls spawning? What the fuck? Yeah, we have a green skull now. That is actually a merchant room. Where you can go and buy stuff off merchants. So I actually was going to add in this video where you could do that, because right now you just spawn and you can just walk up to them and you can't really do anything. I was actually going to add that in this video, but I guess I'll just do that tomorrow in my spare time, while the game dev video shit is editing, or like compiling or whatever. I am going to end this here though, so we did do quite a bit. Yep, I have no idea what the fuck you were saying there, sketches. That is not English. With the hand in, we have this. We have this little guy, which is behind my webcam. You probably can't even see him, can you? We have this little guy as the merchant. And we also have this guy is a merchant, and we have this guy is a merchant. I know I'm late again. Sketches, I'm literally ending it. I'm so sorry. I was saying it then for I have work in 6 hours from now. And yeah. I'm super fucking tired. You don't have to be sketches, literally, you don't have to be sketches. It's a lazy admin. Dun dun dun. Yeah, it's super fucking tired. I will probably make a backup of the game now since the stream is basically done. So, huge thank you guys for watching the video again. As always, if you did enjoy, please give it a thumbs up, comment, rate, subscribe, share with your friends on Facebook and Twitter. Sketches is calling you.
Oh, sorry. I'm trying to get something to work.
You old lazy ass.
I don't have a lazy ass. Your internet has a lazy ass.
No, you has a lazy ass. When was the last time you left the bed, Neve? 1942.
Half an hour ago.
Yeah, the pee. Yeah. It's the only time you left the fucking bed.
I still went tonight.
Lazy ass. See you later, Paul. Thank you for popping in, man. Give Neve a half fat for me. I'm ending the video here, guys, so thank you so much for watching it. I am going to bed. I'm super fucking tired. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will, as I said, be putting up that game dev video of everything I did last week. Hopefully I don't forget anything. Whenever I get like this and I am a little bit of a day late, this stuff kind of blends in together, and I'm not too sure what I did last week or what I did the week before or what I haven't done, and bleh, my brain gets all fucking clustered of what I did and haven't done, or did I start to do it and I didn't finish it kind of thing. So I'll try my best to remember what I did do. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. It really does mean a lot. And share it around. If you haven't yet, please give it a thumbs up. Yeah, share it around Facebook and Twitter. Follow me on Discord. Give me ideas for the game if you haven't already. And yeah, thank you guys so much. Hope to see you guys in another video real fucking soon. Bye. Bleh.